Mahindra Finance has been all along a vehicle finance company, one of the largest NBFC in the rural India, with more than 650 branches. So precisely, basically, our presence has been in the rural sector and semi-urban areas of India, and our strength has been in the rural areas. One of the first issue which we found that this has got a very limited credit, and expectation from the conventional lender is very high collateral. Everybody knows that there is a very limited credit availability, and risk perception about this particular sector has been very, very high. And generally, the lenders have a very rigid risk rating models and very rigid margin requirements. That was one of the limitation, as he has a limited capital to put in start his own businesses. Second issue which any entrepreneur faces today is a lack of flexibility. When he approaches a lender, there are certain fixed norms generally followed by the conventional lenders, which is particularly, one is lender will have only annual review. So in between, in case he has any requirements for any capex or urgent working capital needs, it doesn't get addressed. So to that extent, he faces that limitation. So the multiple sanctions are not possible within the year so far in the country. Maybe certain lenders may be doing that. Then he also faces the problem in terms of documentations, and generally there are set products which may or may not suit his requirements. So that was one lack of flexibility is something he is presently facing an issue. The second issue was about flexibility. Now, since we know this customer very well, then we look at it slightly differently. Like his requirement is coming in the month of March. Today we are in the month of March. Any lender would like to see his audited results before committing any fresh money to them. Now, audited results for this 2013 will not come before September 2013. We have put in place a process wherein our process and response time has been pretty good. If most of the documents are in place, our response in terms of yes or no, in terms of sanction, can happen in 15 working days. Then we will look at his emergency requirements of funding, like during the year, over a period, maybe the conventional lender gives him a total annual limit. Now what we are saying to here, that we don't want to replace the conventional lender with Mahindra Finance coming in. What we are saying is, we are going to be a supportive partner to him as a second option of lending, wherein his intermediate requirements of capital expenditure in terms of any emergency orders can easily met with the small loans of even ranging from 20-30 lakhs to even loans up to 15 to 20 crores. So multiple sanctions within the year are possible from our side, and we can accept wide range of collaterals. In fact, if the customer is known to us, we will not insist on collateral. When I say collateral, I want to clarify here that whatever is the equipment I am funding, that will anyway be hypothecated to us. But unlike expectations from probably other lenders, we will not insist for additional collateral security from him, primarily because the customer is known to us very well. We have a dedicated team of professionals. We have very dedicated team in Delhi also, who takes care of the entire north region, and rest of the country we have a team in head office which is located in Mumbai, where we have a committee based approach, and the committee meets with just 1 day's notice. So it's very flexible in terms of taking committee meetings and giving a decision to the customer. So the response times because of this has been pretty fast. There is no such thing like branch to zone and zone to regions to head office like that. So we have a centralized delegated powers to consider the sanctions right from 20 lakhs to maybe 20-30 crores. So we are focusing on three sectors basically: auto ancillaries, engineering, and food processing. So based on this, we can give all sorts of credit solutions, basically liquidity solutions for his working capital requirements, long-term loans or short-term loans, medium-term loans, revolving loans. In fact, we will structure a loan to meet his requirement. We also will give advisory service in terms of financial management, and we also have Mahindra insurance brokers where the insurance advisory also can be given to him as without any further additional cost, and we can insure their entire businesses. So that's how we approach the SMEs.